Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating simple causes quickly. First, make sure airplane mode is off and the Wi-Fi adapter is enabled in Windows or Mac OS. This clears many false alarms. Restart the router and your laptop. A cold boot refreshes DHCP and clears temporary driver states. While the devices reboot, check another phone or tablet on the same network to confirm the router has internet. If that device fails too, the issue is upstream, and you should continue with the router and ISP checks. Once the basics are done, dive into the laptop settings. Run the built-in Network Troubleshooter or Diagnostics. It often identifies DNS or gateway problems and suggests fixes. Next, open Device Manager or System Preferences and update the wireless driver. If a recent update broke connectivity, roll back or reinstall the adapter. Then check your IP configuration. Use ipconfig or ifconfig to confirm you have a DHCP address versus a static. Finish with targeted network resets and verification. Flush DNS, release and renew the DHCP lease, and reset the TCP/IP stack. These commands clear stale routing and resolution entries. If problems persist, temporarily disable firewall or antivirus software to rule out interference, and test a direct Ethernet connection to bypass Wi-Fi hardware. As a last resort, factory reset the router, but first note SSID, password, and custom settings. If you still have issues, one troubleshooting tip: swap the laptop onto a mobile hotspot to isolate ISP versus laptop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.